Let's get started. First, check the top of this video's description. There, you'll find a link that'll make sure you're getting the best available deal when you sign up for Shopify. You'll get a 3-day free trial and 3 months of Shopify for only $1 per month, which is a crazy good deal. That's going to give you plenty of time to play around with the platform and make sure that it's right for you. So once you clicked on that link, you'll be brought to this page here. Go ahead and enter your email address here to claim your free trial, and then click on Start Free Trial to move on. Here, you'll need to create a password, and then click on Create Shopify Account. And once you get to this screen here, you'll need to fill out your payment information. As you can see here on the left-hand side, you get a little roadmap. Today, you're getting your free 3-day trial, and then you'll pay $1 per month for the next 3 months once you subscribe to Shopify. So I'll go ahead and fill out my payment information here to lock in the deal. And with that done, I'll click on Subscribe for $1. And then you'll be able to choose between the 3 different plans. I recommend just going with the basic plan. It usually has enough features for anyone that's just getting started. So I'll click on Try Basic. And here, if you'd like to, you can go ahead and fill in your business address, but I'll do this a little bit later on in the video. So for now, I'll go to the bottom right and click on Add Later. Now click on Skip Customize Setup. And there you go, you're now subscribed and ready to start building your store with Shopify. Automatically, you'll be brought to this page, which is the main dashboard. To get to your online store, go to the left-hand side here and click on Online Store.